name is Don. I'm with Lifetime Quality Roofing. I'm out here on Williams' roof today. I'm going to be attempting a repair. Today is October 5th. It is 72 degrees. And his claim number is 3550L426W. There is already a missing shingle on the roof, a couple of missing tabs of the shingle. I'm just going to finish removing that tab and the shingle underneath, and then I'm going to replace that one. So first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and get the rest of the nails and get the rest of the shingle removed. Did pull an RLS. The shingle came back with CertainTeed XT25 Duff Gray. So I did have a bundle ordered. Had to get it shipped from Atlanta. Apparently is no longer manufactured in the Midwest area. So we had them shipped from Georgia. I'm gonna place the shingle down and nail it in. My repair has been completed. A few things with the repair. Number one, when I unsealed the shingles, some of them were already unsealed to begin with. The adhesive stuck to the bottom of the shingles above it. You can see that strip of adhesive right underneath. That's what's known as mat transfer. That'll make it very difficult for these shingles to reseal. So next windstorm that comes through, these shingles will be unsealed and they will most likely be damaged by high winds. Number two, if you can see in the video, every time I lifted a tab to nail the shingle down, it had some significant granule loss. You can see that granule. Every tab lost a lot of granules. Number three, from the shingles being unsealed and from nailing this shingle down, you can see some creasing at the top of these shingles. Right there. These shingles have already been like that. They've been unsealed for a while as well. In my professional opinion, this repair attempt has failed.